I'm Karen McTavish at McTavish Quilting Studio and Fabrics. We are at the Duluth APQS showroom. I wanted to show you this piece by Rebecca Weiss. 90% of this is all straight line quilting using a ruler. And I wanted to talk about straight line ruler work when using your long arm. So I use you can use any kind of acrylic 1/4 inch ruler that has at least a 1/4 inch so you don't end up hitting it with your foot. A lot of these markings were drawn on, and I use a purple air erasable pencil in the white areas here, and then I use a chalk marker in any of the dark fabrics. So all these lines are pre-marked. I wanted to show you what it would look like if you didn't stitch in all the ditches. So this ditch was purposely left unquilted because it raises up and it creates a really beautiful texture. Some of these seams were all stitched in the ditch, but some of them were not. And I really love the way you can control an APQS machine using rulers to create beautiful diagonal lines. Okay, we're gonna start using our rulers now for diagonal straight lines. I use 2 rulers when I quilt, the long one and the short one. So we're gonna start using the short one. I wanna put a lot of pressure against the foot evenly. So with my handle, I'm pushing and I'm pushing against the ruler with my foot. So it's equal amounts of pressure. That way I won't fall away from the ruler. So we're in stitch regulated mode, and we're going to have this machine make sure your base is on. So this is a base, and this prevents you from sort of seesawing on your ruler and hitting your needle. So you're gonna need the APQS base, extended base, and then you wanna start wherever you feel most comfortable. I'm gonna use you can go ahead and mark your fabric if you'd like using a tool like a purple mark be gone. See how that line is there? You can mark the whole thing, or you could just use the rulers for diagonal lines. So we're gonna start in stitch regulated mode, and we'll start with this first line, and here we go. So now I'm gonna show you how to randomly quilt 1/2 inch straight lines. And I'm putting a lot of pressure against the foot so it doesn't move. So I'm gonna do a couple of long lines, so I go about a 1/4 inch away. And now we could put our ruler in the back of the foot if you'd like, and then we could just backtrack, or you could put it in the front. You can still get perfect half inch lines. The other thing you could do if you have a millennium is just a push button channel lock. So I could take it off every line and use my channel lock, and then that works as well. So I'm gonna backtrack halfway and do another set of lines. And I like to do groups of 4. Quilted little piece that we just did, all using ruler work, and it took me maybe 2 minutes to finish, so it was really fun.